Welcome back, fellow affiliate enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of passive income through the HighLevel affiliate program. First things first, what is a HighLevel affiliate program? Well, you can promote HighLevel, and every time someone purchases HighLevel through your links, you will earn a commission. HighLevel pays a 40% commission for every sale you generate from your affiliate links. On top of that, you will get recurring commissions. HighLevel affiliates have been paid over $11 million in commission from the HighLevel affiliate program. So that's huge and shows that HighLevel affiliate programs have the potential to generate a solid income. To get started with your HighLevel affiliate journey, first sign up for the program. If you're on a HighLevel agency account, you will automatically get your affiliate link. All you need to do is log into your HighLevel agency account and navigate to the affiliate portal. If you are not a HighLevel customer, then no need to worry because you can still sign up for the HighLevel affiliate program. To create a HighLevel affiliate account, you can grab my affiliate link below to sign up for the program, or just visit the HighLevel website and navigate to their affiliate sign-up page. On this page, you will get information about the program and a link to create a HighLevel affiliate program. Click on Create a HighLevel affiliate account. Fill in your email address, first name, company name, and password. Read the affiliate terms and conditions and accept them for signing up. Now you will be redirected to the HighLevel affiliate portal. On the dashboard main page, you can see the stats. For new affiliate accounts, you cannot see the stats. But once you start promoting HighLevel, this is where you can check all of your stats, such as how many referrals you got, how many clicks your affiliate link received, and out of those clicks, how many subscribe for the HighLevel plan, and how much revenue you have generated from your HighLevel affiliate program. Next, you will see the commission rates that you're going to receive from HighLevel. Now, this is where you can get your affiliate link. An affiliate link is a unique link that you can use while promoting HighLevel using this link. HighLevel will know that you're sending this customer to HighLevel, and accordingly, you will receive a commission. Click on Links, and here you will see your affiliate links for different HighLevel pages, which you can use to promote. For example, if I want to promote a HighLevel annual plan, I can select this link, copy it, and share it to promote. Additionally, you can also create affiliate links for any of the HighLevel pages that you want to promote. For example, if I want to create an affiliate link for the pricing page, then I can give a name, add the URL of the pricing page, and click Add a Link. You can see the pricing page affiliate link here. I can select this link and copy and promote the pricing page affiliate link. Now you might be thinking, how can I promote the HighLevel affiliate program? And where should I place affiliate links to generate sales? Well, the best is to create content around HighLevel. This could include blog posts, social media shoutouts, YouTube reviews, and video tutorials. Use your HighLevel affiliate links and content to generate sales. To maximize your passive income potential, you'll want to optimize your content for search engines and social media. This means using relevant keywords, engaging visuals, and catchy headlines to attract as many eyeballs as possible. Rome wasn't built in a day. Building a successful affiliate business takes time, patience, and persistence. But trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. Just imagine waking up to notifications of commissions rolling into your account while you sip your morning coffee. That's the power of passive income. There you have it, folks. With a little bit of know-how and a whole lot of enthusiasm, you too can become a HighLevel affiliate superstar. So go forth, spread the word, and let the commissions roll in. Until next time, happy affiliating.